Good morning from Istanbul, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video, as you can see, I've got all my luggage with me. You can probably hear it, can't see it. And I am actually going to be taking the metro over to Taksim Square, where I'm going to stay the next couple nights and stay in a different area. Like, it was awesome staying down here in the center, but I think I've explored most of the things there are to do within like a 1 kilometer radius. And so yeah, I'm going to take you guys with on the metro, show you what it's like to go on the public transportation here. So it's gonna be a bit of a journey because we do have the luggage with us and we have to go over some cobblestone roads. And I'll tell you, the weather in Turkey is starting to heat up midday, and it's about noon right now when we're heading over. So we're gonna head over. I think that's the tram way out there in the distance, and we're gonna get on there. I'll share with you guys the process. And yeah, I just use Google Maps to figure out how to get over to Taksim Square. It's pretty easy. You hop on the metro, crosses the bridge, and pretty much brings you right there. So let's head over. All right, so I think we just got to cross this street right here, and then that's going to be the metro right over there. All right, then I think we need to cross the street, and that'll get us over to the other side. Once we get up to the other side, that's when we can hop on the metro. So first step here is we've got to get some tickets. All right, well, we got to figure out which language to get it in first. All right, there we go. Nope. How do we scroll down? First, choose your option. Maybe we just hit that 15 lira. And alright, it's speaking in Turkish to me, so I don't know if we're getting this right, but we're gonna try. One, maybe that means one way. Come on, you gonna eat my other 5? There we go. All right, so I would guess just hit that one way. All right. I don't know if that did the trick, but maybe that worked. All right, I think we have luck. I don't speak any Turkish, but a ticket did come out. And all right, that's a good sign. All right. And that's it, guys. Quick and easy. The nice part is, like, I couldn't figure out how to switch the ticket machine to hit English, but like sometimes just the colors they use for like tickets you need to buy are like so clear, and I got lucky, so I was able to get it. So 15 lira is $1, and that's to take me basically all the way across to the other side of the river and a bit inland to Taksim Square. And once we get there, then I think I have another maybe like 5-10 minute walk, maybe 5-minute walk, and then I'll be at the hotel. So yeah, it's really nice in terms of public transportation here. You've got the tram. There is a I believe a subway that's kind of linked into the tram system, and then so many buses to get around the city. So there's more options than just taking like an Uber or a taxi. That'll save you a lot of money, of course. And there we have it. We have the tram coming this way right now. Nope. All right, well, I hope we're I think we might be on the wrong side. I think we're definitely on the wrong side. Let's check this. Hello. To go here, this side or this side? Yeah. Thank you. All right. Well, that's a good sign. I guess we are on the right side. I just didn't know because like this train came from that way, so I assume it'd come on this side. But well, we're about to find out once we hop on, guys. That's the fun in journeying around. Just the problem is this backpack, honestly, it's probably got to be like maybe 20-25 kilos. It is so loaded with all my electronics and everything, so it just weighs down on the back. All right, and let's see here. Are they colliding? They're not. So this is ours right here. We're gonna hop on this one. Looks like it's gonna be a full day for a Tuesday here. It's loaded with people. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to squeeze in here. Oh, maybe we'll try going down here. Yeah, midday here, it is loaded with people. So we're gonna take this like 4 stops over. I think it's AC in here, can't really tell, but with this many people, it'll bring the temperature up real quick. So we've got a total of about 4 stops to get us over to like the Taksim Square area. I will say, like, some places I've been, like New York City, the public transportation can be super intimidating. Whereas like here, this is my first time on it without any like prior experience riding around. And yeah, it's very easy to navigate, especially on the tram, because it's just one line that brings you from one side of the city to the other. All right, have arrived to the station here, and it looks like now I've got to find the next means of transportation, which is going to be, it seems like a streetcar that brings me up on a bit of a slope. At least that's what it looks like on the Google Maps picture, like maybe a 1 minute walk to get over there, and then we'll be there. So yeah, it was $1 basically to get from the center right down there where I was at all the way over here. So very inexpensive and efficient too. 4 stops, took about 9 minutes. Now it's time to figure out where to go from here. We got the street salesman out here with some fresh stuff. Don't think I'm in the market for a new hat right now, but figured I'd give it a quick look. So as you guys can see here, got a 1 minute walk, 30 meters, then wait up to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go up what looks like, it almost looks like a tram going uphill, but I guess we will we'll find out. Gonna walk towards this way and see. So this must be it here, tramway, metro. Elevator looks a little risky there, it's got a drop, so we're gonna stick with the stairs today. Well, we don't need a workout in today because we got this going. All right, Taksim Kabatas, F1. That's got to be the one. Straight ahead. So we probably need to buy a ticket here. Unless the ticket we have already works. Because maybe there's a transfer period included. I guess we'll find out. And nope, gotta buy a new one. So let's see how we do this. We'll try English again. Nope. Oh, so it does go up and down. We figured it out. So you just hit that bottom button and then we can switch languages. Why can I not get to English? Oh, we just passed English. How? Why is it going to Japanese then? Spanish? All right, we'll do Spanish then. Uno pasar tarjeta. 1 ticket. There we go. Oh, so now you want me to pay, huh? All right, I got the cash. 1
pass ticket sales menu.
All right, we got a 10 there, and we got. All right, looks like we don't have any small change, so we'll have to toss in the 50. Do they give change? Well, we're about to find out. Oh, 50 is not allowed. Well, I guess we're gonna see if we've got coins. Oh, those are singles. Well then. 50? Other way? Oh. Nope. This one? Try that?
Yes.
Yeah, alright. Well then, I'm not sure.
Where is your card? You put the card?
Card's right here.
Yeah.
Didn't work? Cancel? Or... Well, then I guess we'll get a different one.
Bu menüden İstanbul kart satın alabilirsiniz.
Let's try that one. Alright, we'll get a one-way.
Kartınızı aşağıdan alabilirsiniz.
Alright, so next one should be coming down. Oh, there we go. So this should have 2 passes then, yeah? Oh, that's garbage.
Okay.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Okay.
Bu menüden İstanbul kart satın
Alright, that's good news, guys. We've got a reusable card, it looks like. So, let's try this take 2. Alright, we have success now. Oh, and we're through. Hello. Thank you. So guys, pretty straightforward process to use the metro here, but yeah, I don't know why it wouldn't accept my 50 at first, but then when I changed the ticket type, then it worked. Oh, looks like we gotta hop on this one right here. That is just in time. Oh yeah, this one looks like it climbs altitude. So we've got the last part of the trip here. It looks like it's just 1 stop up here that we're going. that'll bring us up to the top of the hill, and then we've got a couple minutes walking, maybe 2 minutes, and we have completed a successful trip on the public transportation here in Istanbul. A quick like 3-minute ride up to the top, and we are here at Taksim station. So we've only got a few minute walk. As you can see, it's very busy here too. Lots and lots of people out and about in Istanbul. All right, and this looks like the exit. And here we are, arriving to Taksim Square. One more escalator up. All right, hello Taksim Square. Oh, what a sight to walk out into. Look at this mosque. That is for sure one of the most beautiful mosques I think I've ever seen before. It's literally perfected in terms of its design. Wow. Guys, I just need a moment to like look at this place and realize how incredible it is. What a place. This is gonna be a fun spot to stay, I can already tell. All right guys, from here we've got 2 minutes, I think, just a cruise right down here. And then we have arrived to the hotel. Looks like an awesome place. We'll be checking out in some upcoming videos. Seems like there's a lot of restaurants, just you know, so pedestrian friendly. Like I've said a few times in a couple other videos here, you can just walk everywhere with ease, get food, go and do so many different types of activities, get from one side of the city to the other. Like it's very nice. Oh, and look at down there. We've got donors on deck. This is the donor spot we were looking for. We're gonna be doing some serious street food hunting in the upcoming videos. I mean, look at how big these slabs of meat are. Oh my God, that looks incredible. All right guys, this is the Impera right here across the street. So we've got a cross right here, and then that's where we're gonna be staying, right at the Impera. So let's head on in and give you a tour of the place. I think I'm paying like $75 per night for this place. So hopefully, oh, we can probably take the sunglasses off now. Hopefully $75 per night includes a nice spot, but it's a good location. That's what's most important for me, because I want to be able to get this stuff nice and easily. Check-in time. See you guys on the other side. All right, we're heading up to the room. What's your name? What's your name? Isa. Isa. Mac. Nice to meet you, Isa. All right, so he's gonna be taking us up. What floor are we on? Floor number 7. Oh, penthouse. 110. Oh, perfect. Tamam.
Tamam. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, there we go, right in front of the elevator. That makes it easy. And this is gonna be home for the next 3 nights. Perfect. All right, guys. So this is the official room tour. Then we've got water, complimentary coffees. We do have a fridge, nothing in there, and we've got some views. Oh, wow. The window opens that way. Maybe we gotta open this way. Oh, all right. Good morning, Istanbul. Hello there. Doesn't seem like there's too many people responding at the moment. Yeah, at least we've got some natural light. At the last place I stayed at, the one thing I didn't like about it was, at the other place, was the lack of natural light. Like my window went out into the hallway. All right, there we go. Is the thing closing? Something like that. And let's check out the bed. Oh, honestly, guys, I can go for a nap. I'm still dealing with the jet lag coming from Singapore, so yeah, it's catching up to me. Let's see, bathroom. We've got a pretty standard bathroom here. The essentials, older style, shower head, shampoos, fresh towels. Yeah, enough to get the job done. That's good news. But nothing, I'd say nothing special here. For $75 per night, it's, in my opinion, it's a little pricey for like what you get. But like, once again, sometimes it's about location, and that's why I chose this one. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna take you up in just a few minutes so we can check out what the amenities look like. And guys, we're back in the elevator. We're going down to Meeting Halls Business Center. I tried to swipe down to the fitness center, but no way to get there, I guess. So maybe there's a staircase that'll bring us. So guys, just made it down to the gym area, and I'm impressed. It is a large gym, especially at the other hotel I stayed at. It was a really small gym. So this one's got like everything. We got cardio machines all along this way, a full weight room. We've got the dumbbells down here, and it looks like even maybe a small little yoga studio over there, and it stretches all the way down here. So huge gym. You know for sure we're gonna be making a visit down here. Right now, no, because I gotta go do a couple things around the city in this area, but I'm impressed. I didn't expect this gym to be this large down here, so that is a impressive look. And I think there's a spa also on the other side. So guys, we've got the sauna and steam bath down here. Since I'm not dressed appropriately, I'm not gonna go in, but we've got the sauna there, the steam room there. But I wanted to give you a quick little tour, so it's a sweet spot. And for spas, looks like we've got all types. Oh yeah, massages, they're definitely cheaper than the last place I was at, better priced. You'll pay between like 30, 40, 50 euros for between 20 to 45 minutes. And yeah, quite a few options. All right guys, that was the tour of down here in the basement. This is level -2. So we gotta see the fitness center. We're definitely gonna come back and do a Turkish bath. And that concludes our tour down here. So I will see you later on.